Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is the energy source within. Energy is precious, you know it. The real currency in this world is not money actually. It is energy. Human energy is very precious. We say energy cannot be created, it cannot be destroyed. But I believe human energy is created right here within ourselves. So how do you create this energy? It is created when the energy flows freely in your body. It is created when you are centered, grounded within, and you connect with the core inside, your true core inside. When you connect with the divine source within, when you are centered, when you go inside, and this is the only way to stop the leakage of energy from outside distractions and outside negativity. So all you have to do is to stay in awareness all the time. Every moment you have to stay in awareness and see where you are putting out your energy. Are you putting out your energy for the right people, in the right places, for the right things in your life? Or are you just whiling away your time and energy, which are precious, in futile things, futile places, and people who do not serve your interests? So all you have to do is to say no when you are supposed to say no, and every time an explanation is not required. So now you know how precious this energy is, and where do you get it from? From within. When you have self-knowledge, when you are grounded within, when you are connected with that space, that divine source within. The thing is, we are limitless. There is limitless potential inside us, limitless energy. We just have to tap into that source of energy. And we are like buckets with holes. So all these distractions outside, circumstances, and our reactions to those circumstances, they take up all our energy, and we are listening too much from our senses. We are seeing too much, we are listening too much, we are speaking too much, and that also takes up all our energy. So all you have to do is sit in silence, and this means you have to meditate, because when you take in lot of information and knowledge from the outside, you cut off that inner knowledge, that intuitive knowledge from inside. And what happens is, it is just the outside knowledge, information pouring in, too much of it with nothing to do with it. And that is what depletes your energy or distracts you from entering inside, from going within and connecting with your true potential, with your that latent energy which lies within, with your core. And for connecting with your true potential, this latent energy that lies within, you have to meditate, because meditation is something, it is a state. It is a state, and it silences your mind. Now we use our energy for talking, speaking, for doing our work. And when you sit and meditate, your mind says, I'm not enjoying it. Firstly, because it is going to silence your mind. All the repetitive thoughts that keep pouring into your mind will stop gradually as you meditate every day, even for 15 minutes in the morning. And that is a very good way to make a start in the morning, because it will make you aware of how you are going to respond throughout to situations, people, circumstances throughout the day. And then it will become a habit to stay peaceful and aware all the time. So now another thing is, it is really difficult for people to meet themselves. We are afraid of meeting ourselves. That is why people have cried when they have been asked to look at the mirror, to look at themselves and say, I love you. They have found it so difficult to meet themselves. And so in meditation, it is like going within, and it is also like you are going within to meet your true self, to seek self-knowledge, to know yourself better. And most of us will be afraid of sitting alone and going within, because the mind is so preoccupied and it is habitually conditioned to always keep thinking repetitive thoughts. So we fear silence and sitting alone with ourselves. But what is needed is to befriend yourself first, to give yourself love first. We don't have to shun distractions or unwanted things. As you meditate, you become so centered that all the unwanted things, whether it is food, junk food, unwanted thoughts, unwanted distractions, everything will fall off on its own. So you don't have to do anything. You just have to be. And when you be, just be, everything unwanted falls off on its own, because now you're so much you. Do you know, our mind keeps tricking us. Whenever you go for meditation or something you love to do, it will always trick you. Don't do this, because everything you love to do will put you into so much. You will be just engrossed doing it so much that your mind will stop in that moment. The thoughts will stop, and the mind sometimes doesn't want that. And so meditation is very useful. It brings you into a space of peace, satisfaction, love, silence, which are the prerequisites for manifesting anything in your life. Do you know how our mind tricks us? For example, have you heard about how the hunter catches parrots? He puts a string across 2 trees or 2 poles, and then the parrots, where there are more parrots, they come and sit on the string. But because of their weight, they go upside down, and now they are so fearful that they will hold on to the string tightly. And imagine, their mind tricks them. Now they think they will fall down if they leave the string, and they hold on to it absolutely tightly. And they forget that they have wings, they can fly anytime. And they keep holding on to that string to save themselves from that illusionary fear of falling off. And the hunter comes and picks them up. So the hunter doesn't catch the parrots catch themselves out of fear. So when do you become limitless and fearless? When you connect with your core, that limitless core, intuitive core within. And this is possible only when you meditate every day, when you go within. In his book, Bliss, Osho has talked about 3 levels of energy. The first level of energy is of the mind. The second level of energy is of our being. When we connect with ourselves and we meditate and try to go within, we experience lot of inspirational energy, creative energy. There is free flow of energy within the different chakras in our body. And the final and the third level of energy is the energy of existence. When we hit upon that source within, that divine source within, and that will become the source of limitless energy. Now there is no dearth of energy. You will feel so inspired, always joyful, staying in well-being. That is when you are connected with the whole. That is when you are connected with the energy of the universe, of the divine source within. That is the energy which makes you limitless. Now there is no fear, because you are connected with faith all the time. You are connected with the source all the time. Now when you are walking with the source, you are backed by the source, by the universe, then you become limitless. Then there is nothing you cannot possibly have in your life. There is nothing which you cannot manifest in your life. It is like you speak out and you get it. So that is the energy which you can tap to by meditating every day, because meditation is going to increase your awareness. And as you remain aware in the here and now, the past and the future cease. There is nothing like past which is not depleting your energy. There is nothing like future which is making you anxious and worried. All you have is the present moment. You are hinged to this here and now in the present moment and connected with the source within, and this is where energy, limitless energy oozes out in your body. You are not your body and mind, you are energy, full of energy, full of connectedness with the whole, the divine source, and then your life becomes a bliss. No circumstances are going to have any kind of effect on you. So that is the energy we all have to tap in through meditation. Now the question arises as to, is our mind all that bad? No. All you have to do is utilize the power of your mind, because all that you can create in your mind, you can create in your life. Only thing is, you have to stop the depletion of energy, those holes in the bucket, by silencing your mind so that it does not give you only those repetitive thoughts, and it brings up more creative thoughts in your mind, or just keeps you in a silent zone, no thought zone, so that you can do more of inspired work and creative work. So keep meditating every day, at least 15 minutes in the morning. Breathing exercises are like meditation, music is like meditation, anything you love to do, gardening or anything, playing an instrument, that is also meditation. So meditation would not mean just sitting and meditating by closing your eyes. You can make any work you do, inspired work you do, you can convert it into meditation for yourself, so that you enjoy meditating. All you have to do is to be alone and sitting in silence and actually going within and connecting with your inner intuitive self, the divine source within. And so all the holes in the bucket are now blocked and the energy stays with you. In awareness, you also see that your energy is not depleted from any outside stimuli. This is all in this video. Thank you so much for being here with me today. We'll meet again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, stay smiling, and keep meditating. Thank you so much. Namaste.